Let me find the fuel valve.
I didn't realize that whole thing was ice.
Where's the fuel valve?
I don't know.
I stuck my finger in oil and gas.
Yum. They have made that snow. Go. Zaza. It's snow. I don't think we like it. Snow, Mama? You like the snow? Huh? Okay, I get you a snow. Is it cold, Mama? She was having fun outside. I was chasing her outside. We were running in circles. She would go behind the little shed. She'd run that way until I'd go the opposite way. She'd run back the other way, and then she'd go all the way behind the stage around the old shed until I'd cut across.
Oh,
and
you should have called me so I could have videoed y'all.
So we were chasing each other. And I was running, and I was wearing Crocs. And so the snow was going in my Crocs. My toes were turning purple, man. This sweater is so bright.
It is. It looks pretty on me.
It's cozy. Oh no, I'm scared now. Hold on, my butt is gonna get cold. Let me see. Ah! Oh, I can make a small snow angel. The sun is in my face here. Stop it.
Jeez almighty, it's cold. I'm playing in the back of the truck.
I didn't make a snowman.
You take it and you make it into a ball and then you roll it.
How am I gonna roll it?
Make it into a ball. There you go. Now, as you make it into a ball, now roll it through the snow. And it'll make it bigger.
It's making it smaller.
Oh my God, my hands are freezing. I don't have any gloves.
She'll put some socks on.
We live in Houston. I don't have gloves. Whew, that wind is cold. Oh my God. Is there a place for me to stick this phone? Go get your tripod. My hands are freezing, Tatiana. Hurry up! Oh man. Well, it's because we live in Houston. It's not much of a snowman. Ooh! Okay, you made a tree! Perfect! That's a pretty Christmas tree. Here you go, I'm done.
Update, day 2, not as fun. Power's out again. Hi, Uma. you can hear the generator, I'm sorry. There's toilet paper roll. So yeah, but I feel very isolated. I can't even talk to my fiance because my fiance is not with me, because phone lines are down. My internet is not on because we have no power, so I can't use Wi-Fi. So I can't even call my family. And I can't use social media. I don't know what's going on in the world, and I don't know. It's just, ingrained in me now because it's the world we live in. It's everyday thing. I wake up and I check my phone. I look on my phone before I go to bed. Especially being a part of the social media world now more recently. I don't know, checking things and like being on top of what's happening, and I don't know. It's first world problems really, but I just feel very isolated, and my phone doesn't work, so I'm just recording weird things. I've been reading Song of Achilles. I stopped halfway through because I started falling asleep because I don't know. I guess it was moving too slow, and then I started reading I can't speak this. Today's the first day I've woken up that we actually have power, so gotta do some work. Yeah, grateful for that. Woke up with the kitties cuddling me. So wonderful it's power. It's like 7 a.m. This might be today or this might have been yesterday. I don't know when I'm posting this yet. It's Saturday. But everything seems back to normal. I was finally able to take a shower. And so I decided I wanted to try that sock curling hair thing trend that I saw on Instagram. So I twisted my hair around the sock and while it was wet, and then in the morning I took it off just to see how it is. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Personally, my hair, I don't know what I did wrong. My ends seem a bit strange. I feel like there are better methods, but this is the result. Tell me what you think.